Can you solve this question in just a few seconds? Let's see. It says, if A is equal to C plus D, which of the following is equivalent to the expression x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared? You can use Desmos for such type of questions. First, I'm going to write the equation on the left. I'm going to write it on Desmos, and I'm going to replace the equal sign with the tilde sign in order to give me some values for the C and D. I will try to be more specific to Desmos. I'm going to pick some values for the A in order to give me some redundant values for the C and D. I will tell Desmos to pick A which is greater than 1, for example, greater than 2, in order to give me some reasonable values for the C and D. Because if C is equal to 0 and D is equal to 0, all of these choices will work. So I'm going to avoid this point. So I'm going to use regression, and I'm going to give Desmos an order to pick values for the A which is greater than 1. Greater than 1 or greater than 2, both will work. Just pick any arbitrary value for the A, for the starting value of A. Now the A is equal to 3, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 0. I'm going to move to the next expression, which is x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared, which I'm asked to find the equivalent form of it from the choices. I'm going to move to it, I'm going to graph it on Desmos, and compare every single one of the choices to it. The curve which will completely overlap with the x squared minus c squared minus 2cd minus d squared, it's going to be the answer. So this is my original curve, which I'm going to compare every single choice to it. Let's pick the first one. Let's test the first choice, which is x plus a all squared. You see, this curve, the blue one, does not overlap with the red one. So I'm going to skip it. I'm going to move to the next one, which is x minus a all squared. And this one doesn't overlap too. I'm going to skip it, move to the third one. So this is the third one. This one is the one which I'm looking for. It completely overlaps with the red curve. If I try to test this, if I try to click on the red curve, the blue one will appear. And if I try to click on the blue curve, the red one will appear. So this means that every single point which is covered by the red curve is also covered by the blue one, which means that they both are equivalent, which means that this is the answer. So the answer is x minus a multiplied by x plus a. That's it. See you next video. Thanks for watching.